Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to rejuvenate. With Mahjong therapy, we're gonna elevate. Grab your titles and let's shuffle left and right. This game is gonna cure you day and night. Let the rhythm of the tiles take control. Mahjong therapy is good for soul. Matching patterns, breaking down the walls. It's a miracle the way this game installs.
Alright. Bayad.
Thank you.
Bayad.
Ulit. Lagay na ito. Marker mo. Okay. Dalawa. Res.
Kailangan kimbog lang yun.
Ay, isa lang ba? Kasi ito, 50 din yan.
Double eh.
Ako yan.
Easy.
It's just no primary. It's just primary. Just like I'm gonna get a G18. Bullet clip. Exactly.
Sino?
Kuya.
Kuya.
Bullet clip. I cover all. All.
Wala.
Ikaw dyan.
Teka. Isa. Ito.
Disgusting, bro.
Isa pa.
Bullets and you slap it.
Tayo na.
Like bro, what if I siege the pistol is so accurate.
Tres.
Tres ko.
Yes, din.
Pwede naman.
Pwede namang iba, right?
You know, there's like I have this app on my phone where it's like I use Marketplace for finding airsoft stuff. If I still have it.
Bula.
Oh, just specifically for airsoft? Yeah. Bro, it's called.
The one in Markham, they have a secret muna tayo.
It's remarkable. That's so far. Is that in Pacific
Kuha
Mall?
pa isa, di ba? Yeah.
Pacific Mall, right?
No. It's somewhere in Scarborough.
Where was it, man?
Diyan na ba ito? Dapat. Ayan na.
It's been a while. Full pop-up.
So much of guns there?
Yeah. It's like, see, it's like listings of different guns.
Oh, wow, that's some pretty cool stuff.
Wag.
And it's like, they're all used.
Ano yun, Ante?
Tokyo.
Two sticks.
Yeah, and some people do like custom pistols there.
Oh, that's expensive.
I know, right?
Pong.
But like, those are like where the good quality stuff is.
Some airsoft they have like a light. They have like lighting that looks like it's shooting bullets.
Birds.
Like Tracer?
Yeah, like a tracer.
Aba. Susundo ka.
Oh, yeah, ikaw na ka.
Lasing ako eh.
Lasing din ako eh.
Uminom nga pala to, ikaw magdadrive pa
Pero
eh.
tayong lasing pa eh.
Uminom.
You can see which target you're, like if you're on target.
Magdamag ka na nga naglaro, ikaw talaga.
Lalasingan na. Lasingan na. Nasunduin si Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, this is like the one I want. Something like this, you know?
Oh, yeah,
But like there's none for sale right now. Like before when I first got the app, there were like 5 for sale.
Oh, they all sold out?
Yeah,
Is
they
the
all
weapon in
sold out.
demand?
Bro, there was one that came like it was the one I wanted, right? It was like wooden grip and everything,
Wow.
and then it had like
A strap.
a strap around it. It had like camouflage on it.
I
Like,
know,
how,
right?
like you know how people put like grass on their guns.
Yeah.
It had like all that. It came with 3 mags, extra battery, like the full
Oh.
set, bro. And a scope. It came with a scope too.
Yeah.
Like they use a real Russian PSO-1.
Oh, wow. That's
I wanted it so badly, but like
How much was it?
I was spending money on my car at the time. So
Oh.
it was like $500 for all.
Oh,
Following.
following.
One wall.
One ball ko yan.
But yeah, like you can really buy like a knockoff Russian PSO-1 scope off Alibaba or AliExpress or some shit, and like it'll fit the AK rails. AK rails are
Oh,
really good.
tapos na.
Like
Hindi, isa pa.
Are the scopes like battery powered or is that like?
Mongko din. Dalawa
I know.
So you gotta charge them? The scope as well?
Pwede.
Oh! Nagatsaka.
Todas ko yan, piso!
Piso.
Oh, yan. Sige, bayad mo.
Like,
Bata,
like some
magpiso.
of them are battery powered, bro. Like holographic, I know.
Yun yung ako.
Oh really?
Oh,
And see, like this is what it looked
Sumubara
like.
ako.
This is on the same gun that I want to. Like this is what
Oh,
it looks
may
like, bro.
bird pa.
That shit looks so cold,
Yeah,
man.
it does. That's a big ass scope though.
It is.
And you can literally use this.
Tabla na lang?
I know.
Exactly, right?
Wow,
Oh,
2.5.
No, it's so cold.
It's a rifle, but it's also a sniper.
And then in a close range,
Oh.
you
It's
just like this.
Oh, meron akong beer na. Pwede rin, pwede rin.
So
Car.
Alright, thank you. Talagang nilasing ako pa. O, nasusundo pa.
Yun lang daw pagkakataon ko manalo.
Kaya ko
Yun naman, oh.
Ah, kuya.
Sick rig, bro. That wood, bro.
Pare-pareho.
Kuya. Oh.
Mali ako. Ba't yun ako?
Look at the environment.
Environment resources.
The environment is scarce.
There's an AS valve.
I know, feeling ko, right?
Version.
The environment is really scarce.
No,
Really
no.
scarce.
No.
That's like 9 mags, bro.
Hindi kasi nagpe-pay
For
attention.
400. That was like 4 years ago. It's probably sold by now.
Kailangan?
Oh, so! Kanina pa eh.
Ano yung ano mo? Ano yung ipakita mo yung ano mo?
Ito.
Kanina pa eh.
Hindi naman nagtapon yan.
Ay, secret 7 car.
May gusto ko maganda.
Oh, wala na yung bukan?
Meron.
Piso.
Isa lang.
Alright.
Mura.
Oh, bati.
Dalawa na ako. Jeez, ang tiyan.
Chanted.
Gis kita.
Wala. Yan na. Try sa pa. Yan. Oh. Kasi,
Walang yung secret yung
ano nga yun, pre?
7 car. Yung pala puro nito yan.
Ang sakit ko. Okay ah.
Actually, we gotta play game 2 as well. Like, that's like a 2 in 1, right? Dude, fairly sure. That's 2 bird must right? Like, well, they're probably
Lima.
raised on a farm.
Wala na ako.
Two more.
Okay ah.
One more. Okay.
No more.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Alright.
Dead.
Doon kayo, auntie ah.
Imagine pulling up with this,
Kuya, look it up on TikTok. The
Doon yung
airsoft
urong yung
with
ano nyo.
tracer lights.
Yan.
Yan, okay na.
That wouldn't be the use for that.
Well, just cool when you're firing at
Bird.
close quarter combat and you're like,
Manok-manok.
What is these tracers? Oh, like this, dude.
2 sticks.
It's like Star Wars.
yeah, exactly.
Ano ba?
Imagine like fighting in like an abandoned warehouse. Yeah, that's what they do. Like, they put like a bunch of like rooms, like makeshift rooms, you know, like an abandoned mall or something. Yeah, maybe not mall, but
Unang ulo.
like yeah.
Bird.
They do that sometimes on like training grounds.
Lapag ng bird mo.
Oh, yan na lang din.
Like in the Milsim operation I was telling you about, there's like an abandoned warehouse or something you can assault. And it's got like multiple windows, and then like people are charging. Oh, and then people are out the
Nice.
windows like this peeking like this, right? Oh, that's crazy, bro. Come on.
2.
Kang. Kang.
They told me para papang.
Pasko na ba?
September na kaya next week ka.
Ay,
Next month.
Next month. Ber.
Berna.
900 by the way.
Bilis ng panahon.
May
This like
itong
has
taon
a
na to parang.
camel wrap on it, bro.
Oh,
Oh, inutay na ito.
Bro, we should, bro. I'm just gonna put like 4 face stickers on my rifle. What's an arrow next guy, bro? Oh, he's dead, bro.
Wow.
Bro, that would
Ano,
stand out so badly, bro. Like a sword.
Todas, piso. Ay kuya, sana nag-break ka. Anong may break mo dyan?
5-7.
Ang
Wala
kakapon.
na eh. Wala na marami. May paningit lang. Wala ko tignan. Wala na rin kung tayo.
Big 6 dyan.
Kung
Kuya, 6.
tatapon mo,
Kasi nandun na yung 6.
todas ka.
Wala na.
Wala akong 6.
Kaya
Bahit ka. Tara.
Lagay ka dun.
Ito.
Ay, bro.
Bebe.
Ikaw, kuya.
Ikaw pa rin.
Translate the guns
Like, like,
Ever since, I bought a case hard.
Ito sa yung tiyo. Hindi si Kuya Mano. Ay, wala ka pa ng team? Hindi, kompleto ka na. Tayin niya po.
si
Yeah.
Kuya Man.
Oo, manok.
Dalawa.
Madulas eh. Oo, tapat.
Apat. Okay, apat. Ay, ako pala wala. Yun, kaya pala may yung baraha ko. Kumuha ka na, auntie.
Oh yeah, and
Saan nga kumukuha?
Dito.
Ito, lima.
gold back 10 as well.
Kakuya.
Pero bak na ko ha.
Wala lang ba?
Oh,
I
sige.
bought a skin.
Ako, sandali.
Um,
Dalawa.
and then I pulled in
Ah,
inheritance.
mm.
I
Wala na, auntie.
$100, right?
Yan na, yan na.
$100, right?
That's crazy, bro. Inheritance Factory, dude.
Yeah, it
It's
was
a lot. How much is it? 300.
200.
Alright, go.
I would rather just pull it out.
Nah, bro. 300 is not a lot. It's a lot, bro.
4,
Okay,
5,
man,
6. What's
Hey,
your
bro.
meal?
I take the inheritance.
Quatro.
I definitely take the inheritance.
4 din ah. Yan na. Tum na.
I had $100 on ground. I was like, you know, I went to Google and I was like, most profitable cases to open on you guys. And then it showed the one with the key.
Tuke.
When you open, what's it called?
Okay.
That's a lot. I just bought a bunch of these.
Tubi.
No, listen. At first, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna pay $5 in, whatever. Right? And I pulled in here and I was like, yo,
Five
Inheritance is in the kilowatt?
I don't even know. I forgot.
Oh, yeah, I think so. Cause I think so.
Yeah, it's the Chrome off and or that.
Yeah. Definitely.
Oh.
I wasn't expecting to call anything. I
Oh,
just wanted to blow some like.
Ano ka?
Blow the $100. It was like just
Like
like
a-
I don't want to do it. $25 in, I'm like, oh, and I pulled in there, right? So I'm like, yo, fuck it, I'm gonna just down the whole 75. I'm up either way.
And you didn't get anything? I mean, the luck has to exhaust at some point.
Pong.
I thought I could be one of
Praise
those
God.
team, right?
Oh.
Gold, like they pulled like gold back to back. I don't
Yeah.
know if
What?
bro. Gold back to
Bumutas
back.
agad.
Yeah.
Ang galing
Dalawa
naman.
joker yun.
Wow! Ang galing.
Kanapong ko.
Get a tap vest?
Tara, bulis ka siya. Okay na yun.
Ako dyan.
Oo, wala pa.
125.
Okay
Kaya
na.
mo ako kaya.
Taya din tayo. Pagin ang leasing ko. Kaya din. Pabigyan mo rin bayaran. Ay,
Hindi. Nagsagay ka na?
dalawa.
Dalawa ba yun?
Kalera siya.
Kalera. Dalawa.
Sabi.
Forest City. Out of the field.
Kahit tayo ni Kuya.
Huwag mo masyado.
Lima.
Tama.
Apa? I'm the man. Oh, isa ba?
Wala na.
Wala na rin, wala na rin.
Sige, ate, kayo muna. Tara na?
Wala.
Tara na?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright. Nueve.
You have your like a little
Bird.
fan there
Ano yan?
with
Bird.
snacks.
Manokis.
Manok.
Disgusting, bro. Disgusting. But imagine wearing one of those yummies, though. That'd be so sick. Like,
Bro, gillies are like so effective in real life. It is. You cannot see people, bro.
I've seen people use it in the airsoft. Like, they can literally just walk past you and won't even know.
Oo, nga.
Yeah, right?
Two.
You have to wrap your gun to in that forest camera.
But if you have infrared, you have infrared goggles.
Is that only for nighttime?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
and anything dark.
Yeah.
Like QCD.
Infrared's like the one that you can see the heat, right?
Yeah, the heat.
Is that better than night vision?
Bola.
Night vision is different.
But which one better? Infrared or night vision?
Infrared.
That's what they use in the Ukraine.
Yeah. But dude, that's expensive.
That's pay to win, bro. That's straight up just
Pay to win, bro. People, dude, trust me, bro. Like the dads that play airsoft have so much money, bro. It's like they have golf money and they spend it on airsoft. You'd be shocked, bro.
Nine.
pay to win.
But we'll just go in there with like
Mhm.
hoodies. We'll go in with hoodies, sweats, and just like a vest, like a
civilian type of wear.
Exactly, and we'll still frag out. Because, like they're old, they're like shivering, right? And you see us
Shivering is crazy.
Gago, wala ko nabutan ko na lang.
Ba't di mo kuha kanina, kuya? Ah.
Orthodox.
Toda, 1-4 ah.
Ano, one na?
Oh, 1 lang. Ikaw pa rin, kuya.
Yes, piso, safe.
Ikaw pa rin.
Puro ako eh.
Okay, Pisos. Oh, bachi.
Anong benching ko niya?
Ganyan siyang benching ko. Wala kayo?
Ay, wala.
Sino 75?
20. Sa akin
Kaya benching ko.
Okay, guys.
Dapat iuna ako eh.
Pareho na ako. Todas ka talaga ikaw.
Kuya.
Todas ko yan.
Okay, natin.
Ito na?
Ano na? Tapos kaya. Sorry, name. Dead. Laki yung dalawa lang.
Siya pa? Okay, mas di ba yan lang?
Wala. Walang box.
Dalawa. Toti.
Wala
na kayo? Okay.
Wala
Wala na?
box. Wala na.
Pwede na.
No way. Yes, ulit. 9 rin.
Bula.
Parang laki sa bola niya ko yan.
5.
It's just money you can always go back.
Dude, is the job really that bad?
5.
Alright,
Kong.
just like, I don't have a job, so I can balance out, you know.
No, I know I'm saying that like the job market.
Di kaya na.
Mhm.
Yeah, dude.
Paano man ako?
I'm really asking my friends
Paano
how
man
work.
ako?
Like,
Yeah,
how I
yeah.
get into them.
Dali lang.
I even handed the resumes, bro. I went to Premium Outlet Mall, handed
For
the
the
actual resumes. I went to Indeed, bro. Indeed. That's why I was wondering how you got the job, because I'm like, what? Fuck. I mean, online is so much saturated, right? Which makes sense. I mean, no offense, but I read a lot of people.
Bro, you've seen the 6 Plus posts. They're like lining up.
For LCBO, there's like hundreds of them. Or just LCBO, bro. And taking the LCBO is only hiring one person. And it's like they have like groups. So like if one person finds a job, obviously they're gonna bring their friends too, right? And the whole place is just ran by them.
Okay, what, man?
That's how it works in Samoa, bro.
They go back to the week, bro.
Tapo.
You know, I might go back to America a little bit, bro. Just grind out America a little bit. Dude, America's always hiring, bro.
Yun.
Nobody's.
Hindi pala.
Like the servers last like 2 months max, bro. As a rotation.
Thank you.
I would go back
Sa
and
business.
just like,
Business is
Good
good.
business.
Ito yung release na yun.
Good business. Ano naman release yun, no?
Ito yung release
I'll
niya.
be passing. I'll be like, where's my break? You know,
Sino release nyo?
it's legal to have
Talaga ba?
Yun, over there.
Over there?
Tight, bro. Tight.
Mm.
And I'd be like, I would
Wow, 5'8".
5'8".
Wala, panapo ko talaga yun.
1 to 5.
Isa.
1 to 5. No joke.
Ano ba?
Our breaks was
Okay, ako.
Alright.
Kaya mo.
Okay, okay. 150 yan, tita ako kayo. Ayan. Yan, o, kaya tayo piso ha.
Talaga totoo, das ka panapon.
City.
Tunigay lang niyan, nasa kanya na yung 9 eh.
May bilang.
9 ka. Doon nasa akin na rin yung tatlong size.
Dapat pala tinapo ko ng market.
Oo.
Para mo kay 8 balls din ah.
Sino man, no?
Ako.
Oo. Ay, sorry.
Tama nga ba? Ako alti, right?
Pwede ito.
Thompson salad.
Alright, dalawa.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's the one by,
Metro.
Lang ako yan. Dalawa?
Ireland? Like,
Isa na lang ako.
do you know,
Isa pa.
our Filipino guy that worked there?
20 mo
Wala
lang.
na ako.
Wala na?
Renzel.
Yeah.
Ayan,
Isa pa.
isa pa.
I did.
Isa
did.
pa, kakain
But
muna.
so long ago that I don't even.
Ikaw.
I don't even.
Isa pa.
Keep it.
Sana.
He's so shy.
Okay.
You know Renzel?
Alright.
He's part of behind.
Really?
Sayus.
Yeah, they were.
Dolores pa din. Ball 1.
And Justin worked there too, right?
Yeah.
13. Alright.
Well, we got some more items. Well, all like the Filipinos are getting like they're moving, bro. It's important.
Kaya ang tea.
Great shift, bro.
They work at like
Tulong kayo dito.
logging.
Makikita ba?
All that stuff.
Uwi mo dito ate.
Yeah.
Sundan niyo po.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yeah.
You join the army, bro? Honestly, bro. I'm telling you,
Tom?
bro. It's
6
How
balls.
long's the term? How
Ako
long?
po pong dito dalawa. Oh.
6 balls yan. 6 balls.
I think it was just like 2 months.
And you sure we're getting paid?
Then you get paid.
Alam mo, alam ka.
They, why
Mga
would they
din
pay?
talaga po
Who
yan.
would do 2 months of boot camp for $0?
Okay, but they're literally giving you the equipment for the boot camp already.
Yes, they give you everything. Like it's all paid for, and you get paid.
Oh,
for it.
sabi ko na nga baka
Kaya
Finish
sumulira.
boot camp, right? Oh, and also,
Yeah,
after you're done with boot
Thank
camp,
you.
you don't go straight to your assignment because obviously the military slots and shit.
Hmm.
Like
No
you
job?
get
Oh,
7
ganda,
months
oh.
in limbo, just doing
Jokes
nothing.
naman.
6 ko yan.
EP1, which is like your
125.
125.
No, 5 card dyan,
Okay,
150
start.
yan.
150. Oh. Thank you.
150.
Ay, boss. 150 ko
Aging
yan.
job.
serious. I read about it on Reddit. Because like, some
The what?
Cinco.
you can't just go back to
Sobra.
civilian life
Kapan.
and just
Tingin ko.
Ay, no, pa rin. Isa.
Kain lang.
Ay, no, ay, lasing na kuya.
you get paid like your rate.
Okay, but like, you're a fresh worker.
Yeah. You just start out as like 500.
Buhay pa, buhay pa.
Just start out as
Ani.
basic training.
Tama.
But boot camp seems a little scary though. Just like a little bit.
Obviously,
yan.
they're gonna rage bait you and like
Yan
you
na.
can't
Ito?
laugh, bro.
Yeah.
That's the one part I'm scared of.
Dalawa ba?
Like you literally have to lock in, bro. Because they're gonna be yelling at your face saying funny shit. And if you laugh, like it's over for you. Yeah, they'll make you scrub the embarrassing like a toothbrush or something.
Ano?
Right?
No, what is
Una ko.
Ay, dali lang.
Okay.
Oh, 6 yan.
This is the increments. So like, for boot camp, you get paid. No, this is corporal.
5, 9.
Yeah, you have to go to the first one.
Bird,
So
no, no, no.
First starting out.
Yeah.
Per month,
Malabas siya.
3,600 per month, right? And then the second one, well, there's increments. So for certain jobs that are like more
Wala
than
nga
paid,
bird eh.
once you finish boot camp, you move on to the second one.
Mhm.
And you'll get paid that per month. And then your third one is after, let's say, 1 year of service. You'll move on to the third one. Which is going to make you 5K a month.
Ano ba ang ano ko?
And then
Cinco
when you
tambo.
get promoted to corporal, you start off 6K.
Mm.
Well, it doesn't matter what you do.
Layo.
Ay, no.
You don't
Hindi,
get paid
7
by
po
job.
7.
Unless you're a specialist, you get paid by rank.
Yeah, but like, don't you specialize in something? Like maybe like you work in insurance.
Yeah, or if you work vehicles.
Yeah, yeah.
Or the specialist jobs you get paid on, though, those are like, you need like
no.
college degrees for that
Oh, really?
shit. Yeah, like surgeons and shit. Like, those are pretty hard to,
How much like a regular, like, you know, like a seaman?
well, they get paid the same thing as private.
Pongit,
Sige,
pongit.
Like, I don't think
Sige.
it costs really to
Sige
be
na.
a seaman, right?
Yeah, you don't
Kung pagbigyan ng tayo.
Bigyan natin tayo.
train.
No, but I'm scared of like the water.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you mind
Kayo,
if you
kayo.
drown?
Huwag niyong bulihin yan.
That, if you're a sailor, like, ship is a huge deal. I'm talking everybody is paying. Everybody. Dead ass, bro. Like, they say a 3 at sea is a 10.
Bird.
Because they really have no choice. Like,
Exactly.
Oh.
you're stuck in sea for like years, right?
3 at sea is a 10. And listen, every whole story.
What?
Everything. I'm serious, bro.
I'm not to become a sailor.
I'm serious, bro. Listen, bro. If you
What?
want,
Oh,
if you want to be, you know, slaying
Oh.
cat like you're
Oh,
fucking
no.
MJ,
this baraha is a rock.
Buono
ti malante.
oh, yeah, man. Perfect, bro. Perfect. That would be crazy.
Oh, may tuka pa ha.
Pwede, ikunin ko nga yun, 2.4, 2.35 eh.
Money, bro.
Oh, yun ba mo?
Mm.
The American money, bro.
At least, what's that one called?
Dos, buto. Ah, tres.
Sunod ko.
I have like a picture of his girlfriend.
Is it military?
Yeah, it's like military movie. Yeah.
Tres.
Mm.
2, 3, 4.
Ano, 2.35.
2, 3, 5.
So like, he had a girlfriend back home, right?
Ang tiyaw mo dapat.
Choco. May 5 balls shot din yan. Kaya masira na para
Like, one scene, like,
Sira.
Sira.
Mm.
Ah!
And
Yan pa yung sagasay niya.
Well, not
Pwede.
like the plot, he comes back home, right? And, you
Ayan, may 5 balls pa. oh.
You
May
broke my
fireballs,
dream,
oh.
Ate Ed. You broke my dream.
Start dating his brother.
Oh, I've seen that.
Ito, wala.
Pangarap
I know.
Pangarap ko pala
Oo.
ng Alfredo, ako nakakuha, oh.
Spider-Man guy, bro.
Bird na lang.
And he's like, you know what I did to come home to you? And he like smashes the
Ocho.
That'd be crazy though. Your own brother would. I know.
Galing, galing magtapon.
Ah,
Oh no, it's because
Balik.
I know.
and then they thought the
He was dead.
Yeah,
That's why.
Kakatawa.
He got somehow. He was like
May nag-aabang na. May nag-aabang na itong tatapon ko na to eh.
Sige nga, try.
Mamaya ito, iipit ko. oh.
situation. You go back to your
Iipit-ipit ko eh.
Titignan yung Joker, wala kayo.
One bird and second bird.
Wala kayo.
the first man suffers.
Yun lang, kaya mo, nasa kanya.
Para sa kuya?
Alright.
So,
Correct. Oh, 1-4. Ay, back to back.
dami option.
Daming option.
So, oh nga, ito eh.
Oo. Wala na. Wala.
Oh, ayun ako na.
Hindi ko tingnan.
Pero kung ako nakakuha ng 5 balls, release.
Release.
Oh, sino?
Siya.
Kaya?
Siya yung tapon, 4 ball. Ay, hindi, kapot pa ngayon.
Safe kaya, safe.
Ay, na-check yan.
Oh, may check.
Ayun, tingnan mo. Bigyan niyo sa kanya.
Ay, wala tayong barya. Apapalitan.
Doon mo palitan. Tapos kung may benching ko niya, Jo. Bayad na.
Yun na.
5. Pero may benching ko bigyan mo sa kanya.
Kunin ko yung...
Benching ko. Pakuli mo eh.
Tapos, may magbabayad ba kayo sa akin? Piso.
Oo nga, tama.
Ay, hindi,
1-2.
nagbayad na kasi.
Ay, ako. Bado para doon lang. Okay. Wala na ang table, kinuha niya na. Binayaran niya kayo. Ay, di ba kinuha ang benching ko? Kasi 50 yung binigay mo.
Ah,
So, bigay mo sa kanya yung benching ko.
Bilangin mo yung spray mo, bilangin mo.
sa akin pala yung sukli.
Mamuro pa lang ako dun.
Mamuro ka pala ba?
Hindi pa ako manalo, 1-4 na sahod pa lang medyo.
Hindi, sahod mo ako. Buti tinodas ka na.
Ewan ko lang muna ako eh.
4. Sorry.
Apat? Ha?
Wala na.
Ah,
Wala na.
So,
Lala po, Lala. Ako man, Lala.
ako.
Para.
Apa? Okay?
Ay. Go po, go.
4.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Okay,
Kuya.
bye.
Ah, misis naman ako. Ano, wala kami sasakyan eh.
Safe game.
Ingat, buddy.
Kung kardio.
Hmm? Sige, hindi ko tatanggal.
Kung
Good, ang pabalik, very good.
Wala.
Pabalik is very good. Important, joker. Kinapos ang joker.
3. Wow!
7 pairs.
Ang ganda ng
Early.
buhay.
Hi.
Hi! 7 pairs ka?
Yeah.
150. Meron ka joker, ba? Oh, wala siyang
Wala.
joker. 175, do?
Dos?
Eh, kasi 5th card ka.
Oo, kasama na yung high
Oh,
doon.
hi, Patrick.
Tres, yes. Wow, ang galing naman oh.
Nabunot ko lang. Dito nagkako mga 8. Kaya sinira ako na yun.
Dos,
Tres.
tres. Oh, may dos. May dos.
Binchain ko mo. Binchain ko mo.
Tres.
Ako ulit.
Madalas naman ano ngayon eh.
Shit eh. Tama?
Tama.
Oh, 9.
Yes. Kala ko magsisemi, hindi ako nagsagot.
2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Wala na?
Baka pa, siya pa mo.
Doon. That's good.
Alright?
Good, good.
Okay.
Tustit.
2 sticks.
Wala, wala.
Isa.
Ano isa ba?
Ang tao, ang tao.
Bula.
Oh, oh.
Permis ah.
Miss. Okay.
Siyempre, ako rin, makikipermis.
Wow. Hindi naman sticks ang ano.
Tayo sumunod sa agos. Go with the flow.
8. Yun, balik. Two balls. Bong.
Chow lang. Chow, chow, chow. Chow na lang.
8. Sarap ako. 9.
Ano naman?
Para siyempre. Safe yan eh.
Yan din.
9 balls. 9 car.
Sete. Ano ba yan? Ano yung
Mm.
Oh, hindi.
Mahuli.
Huli, ante.
Kala ko pa
70 hex?
Oh, sabihin pa, dalawa joker din.
Oh,
wala nang
ganda.
release ah.
Kala ko
Hmm?
pasada lang.
Baka dalawa yung ano mo.
Hindi, dalawa joker daw ni Kuya. Asan ko isang
Pero
joker? Tama, patong niyo doon isang joker.
Ito. Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Two.
5. Alright.
Tama ba?
Galing, galing, galing. Tama, tama.
1, 2, 5.
Kaya mo.
Dalawa joker mo kaya.
Ha?
Kaya mo ko. Wala nang release.
Yeah, yeah.
Kaya rin siya. Oh.
Pwede ko, hintay ka lang ng isang pang
Yeah.
pair.
Piso yung pera mo, tita
So,
no?
5.
Ha? Magkano pera yan?
5.
5 ba?
Lima.
So, kaya mo siya 375.
Papalit mo ako.
Okay.
Alright.
Dalawa yan,
Dalawa, Kuya, dalawa. Jeez, me.
Double.
Yeah,
Ah, double na.
double, double. Oh,
Saan kayo kumamit?
ganda ng barang, Kuya.
Oo.
Sana all.
Tulad ako ng bukid ka pa eh.
6 star na lang ako.
Oh, puro ka na.
Ano na?
Oh.
Yeah. Napla.
Ay, napla. Piso. Piso yan?
Yeah.
Nagpapala. Piso.
Dyan na tayo dyan. Malakaw.
1, 2, 3, pito.
Ito. Tatlo ba?
Ano sa'yo?
Piso lang ang ating. Ayan, thank you.
Eh, wala na?
Wala.
Dalawa. Isa pa. Wala.
Alright. 9.
9, 4, 9,
Yan.
8. Wala.
Kita na lahat.
Kita na lahat. Binurarat na.
Sexy.
Ocho.
Absent.
Sa isting. Wow.
I know.
Ano kailangan mo kanina? 8.
8.
Pati ka naki-trending.
Hintay ko pa yun eh. 9.
Kaya dyan, friending tayo.
7.
Oh. Bird. Oh, bird.
Ano yan eh.
Bird pala, Chok. Siya nga.
Alas.
Shit.
Dosa.
Wow. Ganda naman.
Kung.
Oh, parang pagpukat ko, yeah.
8 din.
Ay!
Kailangan
Ay,
ko yan.
salamat.
Sobra na, binigay pa. Grabe naman to si Auntie.
Swerte naman talaga niya.
I know, right?
Ganun talaga sa
Ganun
kanya.
talaga. Para sa kanya talaga yun. Nauukol.
Nauukol eh.
Nagbukol.
1.
Sabi mo, patsawin mo. Patsawin mo si Mr. Wag
Hindi ka pa tapos talaga. No. Three.
Sa iyo ang aking darling.
Sige. Ano nga yung tapang? 3 balls, right? Yeah. Pala. So, pag ito nabunot ko, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Swerte!
No joke.
Ang ganda! 250!
Ah, hindi. No
Hindi.
joke.
Ay,
Oh, no
Tres.
joke, no flower.
joke lang. Oh, shoot. Ganun. Teka, 250 na yung
Tres.
bunot, no joke.
3.
Seven
Kasi
pairs.
7 pairs ako eh.
Kaya nga, ambisyon na yun, di ba?
Oh, 3.
250. Tres.
Tres.
Kasi no plan.
No plan. Hindi. 3 pag bunot mo, 7 pairs ka. No joke
Di
ka eh.
250 ang no
Hindi.
joke. Ah, tres na ba?
So, di ba 3 tayo, 7 pairs? Sider escalera ka, ano?
Tres
Tres.
na. Ginawa
Oh.
na natin tres.
Oo. Hindi na talaga na.
Ha?
Eh, kasi no joke.
Oh,
Ah, tama, no joke. So, 3
So, tres
plus,
sa is. Sa is. Double.
plus wala kang ano.
Double ba yan?
Opo, double po.
Ah,
Plus
plus
wala
no plan.
kang-
Hindi, yun lang yung pang tres. Kasi,
Hindi.
kasi no plan.
No pla ka, joker ka. Wala kang joker. 7 pairs ka pa. 350.
So, bunot no joke is
Siyete.
250. Dahil 7 pairs, tres. Das no plan, 350.
Oh, 7.
Wow!
Ang galing.
Ang galing! Chachaw na, auntie!
Sasaw na eh.
Bumunot pa, kalaan yun.
Alright,
okay,
ayan,
kuya.
ayan. Sige, sige.
Ano ka?
Ayan.
Dalawa.
Tatlo yun, tatlo.
Tatlo yun?
Oo. Bachi. Oh. Gagawin na eh.
Dami sila na. Ang galing na naman. Hindi mo na kaya makakuha mo pa yung ano.
Hindi ko yung ano ko eh.
Double kasi.
Double kasi. Hindi mo kalaki.
Ako rin, isang chow na lang kay
Oh,
kuya.
isa na lang. Dami ng chow ah. Ay,
Isang
ano
kay kuya. And special. Ayaw. Pony. Wala pa tayo.
Ganda ba ka? Talo pera.
Ano, ganda ng bara nun. Talo tayo kuya. Kala ko maganda rin bara ko eh.
No, ito yan.
Oo nga no, kasi no joke.
Oo.
Bali 250 na.
250 na. Oh, is ambition ka. Ito ko lang ang joke.
Oo,
Yeah.
tama. 350, wow. Kasi
Mhm.
double.
Isa pa ako. Sino na?
Ako muna.
Si Auntie ang mana.
Si Ate Mano? Oo, tama.
Oh, ikaw na.
Wala.
Sa,
Alright.
wala.
Kuya, saka.
Wala na.
Alright.
Now I'm over. Over.
Sino?
Three car.
Two, six.
Two, six.
Ano? Daddy!
Galap siya pa rin.
Maricel ng mainom eh. Ano ko daw eh.
Ay, wala. Beer po, niya.
Maricel.
Bakit?
Alcohol ang gusto.
Ano sa...
Ito yata pwede sa kaya. Ito. Champagne naman to eh.
Champagne po yan eh.
Dito na wala photo no?
Wala alcohol. Meron din konti. Subukan nyo, tanong nyo kung gusto niya.
Kasi makaang sa uminom, ha?
Ay, nang-beer. Kuya, beer pa? Pong? Para matalo kita, hindi kita matalo.
Galing ko yan.
Palulim na ka, tapos.
Alam mo naman ang pag-asa ko lang manalo is lasingin kayong dalawa. Siyempre, hindi ko malalasing to eh. Naubos na yung mga ano nyo dyan.
Ang tinapon mo? Kasi tira-tira oh.
Wala mo sa dami ng stock nyo dati na ubusan.
Ubusan, ano?
Bigay ko na ata. Hindi ba? 2 balls. 2 balls. Now I need a joker.
13 ka na?
13.
13. Piso.
Yun. Tsaki. Sabi siya. Ayaw mo pa rin.
Japan show, ah. Dito yan.
Uy, bilang mo no?
Ah,
What? 5 ka.
sa kanya.
Ayun.
Ayun
Maybe.
na.
Uy, bilang siya.
Bakit siya? Grabe.
Ayan na. Puro ka na ba?
Hindi, yun na. 2-3 nga pa ko.
Tres.
Pagas ka?
Force rating lang.
Wala, no joke.
Force rating lang. Force rating.
No joke.
No joke?
250.
250. Aray ko. Aray ko.
Pare kang auntie. 250 na. 250 yun.